Welcome to our guide on adding a new email campaign. We'll walk you through the steps to create and configure your campaign effectively, ensuring you reach your audience with the right message at the right time. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on Email, then scroll down to the Email campaign options. Next, click on Add New Email Campaign in the Campaigns tab. This will allow you to start setting up your new email campaign from scratch, tailoring it to your specific needs. In the Name field, enter a unique name for your campaign. This helps in identifying and managing your campaigns efficiently, especially when handling multiple campaigns simultaneously. Proceed to the Scheduling section to specify when your email should be sent. This ensures your message reaches your audience at the optimal time for engagement. After scheduling, go to the Email Template section. Here, select the appropriate email template name from the drop-down menu to ensure the correct template is used for your email. Finally, click Save to store all your email campaign settings. This step is crucial to ensure all your configurations are applied and your campaign is ready to be launched.